Hello, Navigation Nation. In this video, we will review how to create an academic plan in Navigate. An academic plan is a semester by semester plan that lists the courses that you would like to take each term. By creating an academic plan, you can ensure that you are taking classes in the proper sequence, meeting your degree requirements, and completing your degree in a time frame that aligns with your educational and career goals. When registering for classes, creating your academic plan is the first step. So let's get started. First, log into your Navigate account. If you are unsure how to do so, please exit this video and watch our tutorial on how to log in. Once you are logged into your Navigate account, click on the word Planner next to the word Explore, located in the top left-hand corner of the screen. On the next screen, you will see the My Planner page. The My Planner page is broken up into two boxes. In the box on the left-hand side, you will see Plan Suggestions, which provides a list of all of the classes required to graduate from your program of study. In the box on the right-hand side, you will see My Academic Plan, which lists current and upcoming terms, allowing you to plan for future semesters. To plan courses for the upcoming semester, click on the Add a New Term button located on the right-hand side next to the words My Academic Plan. Now, select the semester that you would like to plan for. The semester will populate on the bottom of the screen. You may have to scroll down. There are three ways that you can add a course to your academic plan. Let's review the first way. Find the class that you would like to take in the list of courses under Plan Suggestions. Now click on the symbol with the blue horizontal lines. Select Add Course to Term, and then select the term that you are planning for. It's really that simple. Let's review the second way. Once again, find the class that you would like to take in the list of courses. Now, drag and drop it over the semester that you are currently planning for. Finally, let's review the third way. Locate the magnifying glass symbol on the left-hand side menu. It is the third option from the top, and click on it. On the next screen, you will see a search bar. You can type in course numbers here. This feature is useful for finding courses that you are required to take prior to taking other classes, but they are not listed in the Planner Suggestions box, such as Transition English and Transition Math. Type in the course number in the search box. Select the first option to search for course in all. Locate the class, then drag and drop it over the semester that you are currently planning for. Use whatever way is comfortable for you. Repeat the steps for the remaining classes that you would like to take. That's it. You've created your academic plan. Once you've created your academic plan, it's always a good idea to get feedback from your academic advisor. Be sure to schedule an appointment with your assigned advisor using Navigate. If you are unsure how to do so, we've got you covered. Check out our video tutorial.